respected trainer. My name is Abhina and I am from class 5. Today, my topic is to not compare yourself with others, be your own comparison. Dear sir, मैंने टॉपिक इसलिए सिलेक्ट किया है क्योंकि मैंने इसको इन सिचुएशंस को स्कूल में और घर में बहुत बार फेस किया है. Dear sir, it is an excellent topic but tough one. It is very natural to compare ourselves with others. It's true, but it makes us unhappy. This is the modern era. Jobs, title, income, grades, Instagram and Facebook likes are the number of categories we compare ourselves with others. Dear fellows, I am a position holder of my class, but cannot enjoy 93 always because I am always compared to 94%. اور پھر آپ سب کو تو پتا ہے جب مما اور ریزلٹس آمنے سامنے ہو تو 93 بھی انجوائے نہیں کر سکتے اگر 94 نہیں. نان کمپیریزن از پازیٹیو. اگر ہم کمپیریزن کو پازیٹیو لیں اور اسے کمپٹیشن کے ساتھ لنک کر لیں تو یقیناً ریزلٹس اچھے ہیں. اینڈ یو کین امپروو ان پازیٹیو comparison. No matter how slow you are, as long as you don't stop. Dear sir, everyone is running in their own race, in their own path. Your path is different from the person's path running beside you. Dear fellows, just relax. Focus on your strength, focus on your blessings, focus on your strength. Dear sir, in Almighty Allah's hands, time is a tool. He makes things beautiful in His time. You are very much on the time, and in your times, the destiny is always written. No, always do your best. Allah will reward you according to His best. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to you all. My name is Saruj Javed and I am from class 9th. The topic that I have chosen is the failure can be the fuel to a successful future. We all have different objectives and aims in our lives. Some of us have aims and targets while their childhood, but some of us adopt this during education while getting some exposure. Many times we try our best and do our best and do our utmost efforts and work as hard as we can, but in order to achieve our goals, but all in vain. But if we try to learn from our unsuccessful tries and efforts, we are able to get it more better and the best. It always seems impossible until it is done. Such as many medical students appear again and again in their exams, but it is not. Although they get disappointed when they have not passed their exams, but they should be confident, should not lose their hopes, and should appear again in their exams. At last, they will definitely defeat failure. They will definitely defeat failure and will able to hold the hands of success. There is no failure except in no longer trying. As the Holy Quran says, with every hardship there is ease. All of you will be familiar with the story, the spider and the cave. The spider faced failure 6 times, and the 7th time he was able to make its web. And as a result, the king also learned from the spider and was able to defeat his enemy. So we should try and try again. In every sphere of life, we have to face difficulties and problems. No one can live a happy life and a successful life without having problems and failures in his life. We should never give up and lose hope, and should always be confident. The loser is not the one who fails, but the loser is the one who gives up. The Holy Prophet peace be upon him said, "Indeed, the greatness of a reward is according to the trial. And when Allah Almighty loves a person, He tests him." Winners never quit, and quitters never quit. So we should always have faith in ourselves and should be ready to face problems and failures. Not only this, more than 50% of our successful personalities have reached their goals by learning from their failures and by facing them confidently. So the secret of this success is that never give up. If you fall behind, run faster, never give up, never surrender, and rise up against the odds. So we should recognize our personalities and abilities, and we should always be confident and courageous while facing all the difficulties. Then we should choose our path and do our most efforts. Thus, failure is a way to the successful path. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. As you know me, my name is Fizza and I am the student of class 9. Today my topic is the journey is more enjoyable than the destination, because in this we know how we will go to our destination, which is our final way. We can make our journey more interesting and more enjoyable than when we will do the hard work. اگر ہم یہ تو نہیں نا کہ ہم پیپر دینے گئے ہیں ویسے جا چلے گئے, کچھ یاد تو کیا. اگر ہم محنت کریں گے تو ہماری جو منزل ہے وہ ہمارے قریب خود آئے گی. اور اس حساب سے when we will take our destination with the hard working, ہماری جو انٹرسٹ ہے، ہمارا جو انٹرسٹ ہے وہ دوسری ڈیسٹینیشنس کو کرتا ہے ہمارا دل کہ ہم وہ بھی اپنی منزل دوسری پہ بنیں فار دا ڈے آف ججمنٹ. اگر ہم اپنی آخرت کو صحیح کرنا چاہ رہے ہیں، ہم وی ول اوبے آور پروفٹ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم رولس. ان کی سنت پہ اگر ہم کریں گے تو ہماری آخرت بالکل سنور جائے. اسی طرح ہم نے اسی کو اپنے سامنے رکھتے ہوئے اپنے سب جو ہم پیپرز میں کرتے ہیں محنت، ہمارا اے گریڈ رزلٹ آتا ہے. اکثر جب ہم محنت کرتے ہیں ہمارا اے گریڈ رزلٹ آتا ہے، اور جب خوشی ہوتی ہے وہ مزہ آتا ہے، وہ خوشی جو ہم نے محنت کر کے خود لی ہے. اسی طرح اگر ہم اپنی آخرت کو سنوارنا چاہ رہے ہیں، ہم محنت کرتے ہیں. یہاں پہ اگر یہ تو نہیں نا کہ ہم نماز بھی پڑھ رہے ہیں، قرآن پاک بھی پڑھ رہے ہیں اور غلط کام کرنے پہ ہم نے ہاتھ رکھا. ہم جب تک وہ نہیں روکیں گے وی ول ناٹ گیٹ آور ڈیسٹینیشن گڈ. ہم جب تک اپنے آپ کو نہیں سدھاریں گے ہماری ڈیسٹینیشن ہمیں کبھی نہیں ملی. اور جب اینڈ پہ ہمارے پیپرز ہو جاتے ہیں، ہمارے رزلٹ مل جاتا ہے، ہمیں خوشی ہوتی ہے کہ ہمارا جو انٹرسٹنگ تھا، ہماری جو ہارڈ ورک تھی وہ آج ہمیں اچھی طرح ملی ہے، ہمیں اے گریڈ ملا. اور آگے ہمارے انٹرسٹ اور بڑھتا ہے کہ ہم نے اس رزلٹ کو اور بہتر کرنا ہے، اور ہماری اس چیز پر نہ ہوتی ہے کہ ہم نے باقی ڈیسٹینیشنز کیسے. سو اٹ از مائی ریکویسٹ، پلیز ڈو ہارڈ ورک. یہ نہیں کہ آپ دوسروں کی محنت کو آگے رکھو کہ پیپرز میں چیٹنگ کر کے ہم نے پاس ہونا. اٹ از ناٹ آور مین ڈیسٹینیشن کہ ہم نے چیٹنگ کر کے پاس ہونا، یہ کوئی نہیں ہے. ہم نے اپنی محنت سے پاس ہونا ہے، اپنے جرنی کو انٹرسٹنگ بنانا ہے، انجوائبل بنانا ہے، تاکہ ہمیں دوسری ڈیسٹینیشنز بھی کرنے میں مزہ آئے. بٹ اٹ از مائی ریکویسٹ، پلیز ڈو ہارڈ ورک فار یور ڈیسٹینیشن، فار دی ڈیسٹینیشن آف دا ڈے آف ججمنٹ، which is the last destination of everyone and is the main destination in the world. Thank you for your attention towards my topic, which is the journey is the more enjoyable than the destination. Thank you.
Before I start my topic, I would like to say a few golden words of one of my favorite authors, Dr. Seuss. Today you are you, that is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you. Dr. Seuss is one of my favorite authors because he focuses on different topics at the same time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Manahil Majid, and today the topic I am going to talk to you on is don't compare yourself to others, be your own competition. Often at times we're always looking at other people, what they're doing, and not what we can do. We're always looking at one day I was sitting with my sister and I was telling her a story, and it's called The Little Cedar Tree. That tree had little pointy leaves and it wasn't happy with them because people wouldn't come near it. So every day it would wish for a new coat of leaves. One day it wanted a coat of gold leaves, one day it wanted a coat of glass leaves, one day it even wanted a coat of snow on it. And every time he'd want this stuff, it would always be worse for him than the last one. After I told her this story, my sister looked at me, she was like, Aapti, can I ask you a question? And I was like, sure. She was like, why did the cedar tree want a new coat of leaves? And I looked at her and I was like, because I wanted to be like the other trees. And then she thinks for a minute and she's like, but why couldn't it accept what it was? And that got me thinking, why can't we accept who we are instead of looking at what other people are doing? A saying says, and I quote, wrong is wrong, even if everyone is doing it. And right is right, even if no one is doing it. So I urge you, please don't compare yourself to others. Look at yourself. You're worth it. You should love yourself. We all have a good quality inside of us. No one is worthless. No one is useless. We all have something good inside of us. And if we stop comparing ourselves to others even for 1 minute, maybe we'll be happier. A Harvard study indicates that 50% of the people spend their time living in the past and the future instead of actually focusing on the present and looking at other people, and this leads to increased unhappiness. So please, focus on the present, look at yourself instead of others, and I assure you, you'll be happy. Thank you.
Manahil, I must acclaim that the choice of the words today, it was wonderful, right? And the citations that you used, they were very well in place. The story that you have added to the script, I could see that they were listening to that eagerly, right? It means it was a gripping story. Then adding an example of a younger sister who you are talking to means introducing a dialogue into your script. That is again a hooking factor for the audience, right? So mingling all in this short time of 3 minutes is actually a success in itself, right, on papers. But the way you have delivered it today, right, I could see that you were spraying your sight and eye contact almost to everybody sitting here, and everybody must be feeling that the message was for his or her own self in specific, right? So that is what the strength, and this is where the success of a public speaker lies. Now,